At a time when digitalization has taken over many professions, schools must continue to prepare students to become a valued contributor to the society. With a clear technology vision and plan, it is possible to stay ahead of the technology curve while continuing to instill a love of learning in your students. Cerebro Interactive Smart Digital Board welcomes you to an era of smart teaching. Connecting technology with interactivity, Cerebro Interactive Smart Digital Board is a dynamic and engaging solution for education as well as for any business environment. Packed with numerous smart features, Cerebro Interactive Smart Digital Board can give your message the impact it deserves. Cerebro Interactive Smart Digital Board supports collaborative software for any education, corporate or professional teaching or training environment. It enables users to write, draw and present seamlessly with a finger, stylus or pointer and can run any file format, video, documents, PPT or PDF. There are a wide range of inbuilt apps as well, which helps out an individual to carry out and execute any desired plan. Ranging from screen size of 55 inches up to a spectacular 98 inches size, these interactive displays give you convincing reasons to think smart, with brilliant audiovisuals for greater communication power. Now you can make your boardrooms or classrooms more interesting with Cerebro Interactive Smart Digital Board. Check out the advantages of Cerebro and its comprehensive audio-visual integration. With Cerebro, the possibilities are endless. Say bye to the traditional methods and techniques of teaching and trainings. Come, create a smart impression for our future generations.